Okay, so in this following video, I'll talk about question tutorial 1, question 4 on Class A and Class B amplifier in terms of NPN and PNP and what the hell are they, and how are these things gonna influence your signals. Okay, so in this video, I'll just talk about firstly the what is BJT. Okay, what are all these things. So what is BJT? So the BJT is a bipolar junction transistor consisting of a NPN PNP things. Okay, but nonetheless, this NPN PNP thing is actually dealing with some collector, and this is the collector, this is the base, this is the emitter. Now typically you have to put in the base current, okay, in order to have certain motion, okay, certain movement. In this way, you put in a base current of this is I base, so it's the base current of this. So if you put in a 75 new ampere, I don't know what the hell is this value, but it's certainly smaller than milliampere. Okay, this value is I think 10 to the minus 6. Okay, then yeah, so this is smaller than this, right? So if you put in this small little current, you're gonna have a increase. You're gonna have a milliampere, which is 1000 times larger than the base current. So you're gonna input a collector current. So this is the collector current over here. So this collector current, when you put in 75 new ampere, you're gonna open up a you open up certain gates. Okay, so there'll be a gate over here. So if you input this amount, you actually open up the gate to release all the current from this side into here. So you're gonna allow flowing of current from this side to this side. So you input a small little current, you're gonna allow a large current to flow through. So this is like a gate. So you put in certain amount of current, you achieve a certain amount of current flowing from the collector. So similarly, for the emitter wise, for this case wise, I think you're gonna you also input a certain base current, but however, it's the emitter going from this side to this side. It's a different opposite directions. But nonetheless, I may be wrong for this only. I mean this one because I lazy. But anyway, but this is not very important. But you need just the thing you need to know is that the base of this, you input a small amount of current, you're gonna have a large current flowing in. Okay, so yeah, so this is like an NPN water analogy. So you input a base current over here. So the amount of this is like a water analogy. So if you have a certain water current, great enough current to push this knot down, okay, this will actually flow in, and then when you push this thing down, this connections will actually open up the gate, opening up the gate, allowing the collector current to flow in this direction out. You see, so this base current acts like this, and then for the emitter current, okay, it's always flowing in this direction. Okay, okay, so for PMP water analogy, okay, so previously I was talking about this one. Okay, I say it's not good enough. Yes, definitely. So I just use this one. So this one is PMP, which is different from NPN. Okay, okay, so it's different from this. So the difference is that this one, you have an emitter current all the way flowing through here, right? However, when the emitter current is large enough, you actually push up this current over here, and then you allow the base current to flow in, and then nonetheless, if this one opens, this one will also open because they're connected with certain system. So when you open up this thing, okay, you allow the current from here to flow in into here. You also allowing um the flow from the emitter side to the collector side. So as you can see, the current is flowing in this direction, but and then you can see that the current is flowing from the base into the emitter. So there is two directions. The emitter is flowing into the base and the collector, while the base current for NPN is flowing out the emitter and then allowing the collector also to flow through. So these are the two systems that I have already briefed you on, and hopefully it's decently clear. And then so how this BJT is being applied? Okay, okay, so how are they being applied? Good job. Okay, so you have a solar panel over here. Normally you know that solar cell is lousy, right? You're gonna take in small amount of solar energy and then you allow a when you put it into here, so this is the base current now. So this base current will open up the circuit, okay, allowing um the so-called this the volt I mean the DC source flowing to this side, allowing closed circuit now. So at first it's open circuit. Okay, at first it's open circuit, and when there is solar energy onto this cell, it actually opens up the gate over here to allow the power to flow through. So it becomes closed circuit. So this is the solar cell. I mean this is the NPN. Okay, this is NPN's application. So PNP, this is also NPN. But why? Okay, anyway, so I'm not gonna dwell on it. So I think I've talked a lot. So I think next video I'll start to talk about class A and class B. But hopefully this video talks about explain clearly how the BJT works. I'll see you there.